Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to do this Aries inspired makeup tutorial. So this is what I came up with for an Aries kind of makeup look. Let me know down below if you are an Aries and if you think that this makeup look does represent you. Happy birthday to any Aries out there. If your birthday has already been or if it's coming up, happy birthday. I hope you had a good one. I hope you have a good one, and I hope everything's all well. So yeah, if you want to see how I get this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay, hey guys, so to start off this makeup look, I'm going to use the Becca. This is the first light priming filter. Okay, and for foundation, I'm going to use my Revlon. This is the Revlon Candid foundation. Okay, the foundation's all on, and next I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs. This is the Remarkable Full Cover Foundation. Okay, next I'm going to set everything. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty. This is the banana powder. And to set the outside, the rest of my face, I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. Okay, now that everything's set, I'm going to go ahead and do some contour. I'm going to take my Tartiest contour palette. I'm just taking this dark color up here. And I'm just going to quickly do my brows. Okay, brows are done. Now to move on to the fun part, the eyes. So to start off with, I'm going to take, this is a Napoleon Perdis Colour Disc, and this is in the color Tequila Sunrise. It's a really beautiful like orangey shade, so you can just use whatever orangey shade that you have. So this orangey shade is just going to represent like the fire and the passion that Aries do have. So I'm just going to use this to start off with. Okay, so now we have our orange color all on, and as you can see, like I focused it like on my inner corners, but kind of on the outside, so not right on the inner, but on kind of like the outside towards where my nose is. So that's why I focused the orange color, as well as just to the outside of the eye, so kind of creating like a wing liner effect, but just to the outside of the eyes and just to the inside, and I've just left that middle bit kind of clear, so you don't have to be perfect with putting it into your crease. You can just focus the orange, or you can even use red if you wanted, like, and just focus that just on the inside part of your eyes, just above near your nose, so kind of like you're contouring your nose, and then just as well on the outside, so creating kind of like a wing liner there. Okay, the next color we're going to use, okay, so once we have all the orange on, we're going to go, so next we're going to go into my BH Cosmetics. This is the 6th edition 120 color eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go into here. I'm going to go into this. I'm going to take a blue shade. So there's a lot of beautiful blues over here, but I'm going to go and take this blue shade right here. Okay, next I'm just going to go into a lighter blue color just to put into my inner corners. Okay, now that the blue color is all on, I'm going to go back into the orange and just make sure that it really comes through. Okay, and that's pretty much the eye look done. I'm just going to go ahead and add on some lashes and some mascara, and I'll be back to finish off everything else. Okay, I actually need to wait for the mascara to just dry a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and finish off our face. I'm just going to put on some blush. I'm going to go back into my Tartiest contour palette. I'm just going to take the blush color that's in there. Okay, I'm going to take the highlight that's in there, this highlighter here. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna go off and put on some lashes, and I'll be back to put on my lips. Okay, lashes are on, and now time for lips. For lips, I'm gonna take this. This is the Too Faced Melted Liquified Longwear Lipstick, and this is in the shade Chihuahua. And on top of that, I'm going to take this lipstick. This is like a nudie kind of color. This is from XO Beauty. And this is in the color Ubuntu. Okay, don't know if you guys can see that. And I also put on some Exo Beauty Faux Mink lashes. Okay, this is looking quite washed out on camera, so I'm just going to take it off. I'm just going to go in with the Too Faced. And I'm just going to add some brown liner, lip liner on as well. Okay, so this is my completed Aries makeup look. Comment down below if you're an Aries and tell me what you think. Do you think this makeup look represents you as an Aries person? I really like how it came out. I've got the blue in there. I think blue is like a beautiful kind of passionate color, and then of course the orange that's popping through to show like the fiery passion that they do have as well. So yeah, I really like how this look came out. Yeah, comment again down below if you are an Aries and if you think that this makeup look does represent you. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you made it all the way to the end, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below, like this video and share it with any other Aries out there. Happy birthday to all the Aries if your birthday is coming up or if it's already been. Happy birthday, I hope you had a good day. And yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!